Good job, buddy. Richard wanted to check out what was in that yard. He's a curious boy sometimes. It never gets him in trouble, though. The neighbors always like him. Except one neighbor who wanted him out of his yard once. He said he didn't want Richard peeing in his yard. We're going left here, so we're taking the very newest route. Which loops back to the old route. It's like a flag shape that we walk. Oh, there's the mailman. Richard's walking on the ledge. That's really cool. On the bricks. He's gotta go check out what's behind there. Thank you for watching.